Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Power down the Xbox, unplug every cable, and wait 2 minutes so caps discharge. Once done, place the console on a clean, flat surface and remove loose items like game discs. Make sure you have the original inner foam and accessory boxes ready. They keep proper spacing. You'll use pointed labels for controllers and cables so you don't lose track. This prevents scratching and speeds reassembly later, so don't skip the labeling step. You'll wrap the Xbox in its soft sleeve or a microfiber cloth to protect the finish, making sure vents are unobstructed. Next, place controllers and power brick into their accessory boxes, tuck cables into zip bags, and label each bag clearly. Once items are ready, set the console into the foam cradle with the rear ports aligned to the cutout so nothing bends. Make incremental adjustments and confirm everything sits flush. You're at the finish line. Place the top foam and close the lid, aligning edges before you tape. Use reinforced packing tape across all seams for a secure seal, and then perform a gentle shake test. Listen and feel for any movement. If you detect shifting, reopen and add a folded towel or bubble wrap at the specific gap so the console won't rattle. If issues persist, double-check foam orientation and cable placement. Correct padding is the most common fix for stray movement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.